Hi guys, this is Dianna in the kitchen. Welcome back to another episode. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. On today's episode, I'll be showing you how I make my smoothies. And for the list of ingredients, you're going to need some spinach, mangoes, pineapple, some mixed berries, ginger, poppy seed, and chia seeds. Alright, so I use a combination of poppy seed and chia seed because for the poppy seed, it's rich in essential nutrients such as calcium and iron, and for the chia seeds, it's an essential protein. And since I'm not going to use any protein powders or anything, it's a perfect replacement. Now, if you're pregnant or a lactating mother, please avoid using the poppy seeds because they may contain opioids or opiates, and it's not good for you nor the baby. And if, for instance, you're going to be doing any of your tests during your pregnancy, then it may show up as a drug. All right, so avoid using this. It's the dried version, so it may not contain as much, but it still may have some trace of it, so please avoid it if you can. And yeah, so we'll get mixing. Oh, and another thing, we also have 16 ounces of water. All right, so the first thing I'm going to put in this is my spinach and just pack it into the blender. Pack it all the way down. And then we're going to add our mangoes. Then our pineapples, and we're going to add about half the amount of water that we need, and the ginger. I don't know about anyone else, but I love seeing layers when I'm making my smoothies. All right, and then I'm going to add my berries, and then my seeds. That is looking so pretty. Yes. All right, so I'm just going to put the top of my blender on. So that's about 2 minutes of pureeing, and this is the consistency that we have. All right, so if you don't like the seeds, because the berries, especially the blackberries, they contain seeds, and it may feel a bit grainy, but I actually don't mind. So if you're good with it like this, you can have it. I have it straight up like this with nothing added. The pineapples that I use are extremely sweet, so I have no need to add any additional sweeteners. But if you choose, you can add honey, or if you're a person that uses stevia or any other sweetener, you can go ahead and do so. But this is just jam-packed with nutrients and is really good for you. And for a person like me that does not like eating too early, this is a great replacement for breakfast. It's also a great replacement for lunch as well. So you can have this throughout the day and you are good. Alright, so I'll have about this amount. I think we can call this the oak because it's really green. I made a mess. And how I store this is I just pour it in a regular container like this, and I'll just keep this in the fridge, and I'll have that throughout the day. Alright, so there you have it. Full recipe will be in the description box below, and as usual, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video, but until then, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course click on the post notification bell so you'll get verified every single time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.